Hello guys, this is your Coach Brian again. And na-invite ako dito ng Ladies of Dedication sa Purok Dos Malaria. Meron silang pa one day league. I don't know kung mga momshies or pwede rin yung mga dalaga. Let's see, I'm so excited to watch and thanks for having me and thanks for inviting me here. It's my pleasure. Tara, let's watch kung ano mga kaganapan doon and ayun yung court. Kayo po yung mga orga?
Yes.
From Ladies of Dedication?
Yes.
Ilan po kayo lahat?
Volleyball.
Ilan po kayo lahat?
11.
Ay, 11. Hello po! Sa YouTube ko lang po. Yeah. Thank you po! Thank you po, sobra. Kaya nga sabi ko pupunta ako.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes po. Thank you so much. Ay, anong name mo na ate?
Tricia po.
Ate Trisha.
Yes.
Right. Okay, ate.
Ate Taruk po.
Ate Taruk. Sino? Si ate.
Ate Ligaya.
Mga orga.
Lilis and Benching. Ano nga?
Yeah. The Ladies of Dedication. Ilang years na po yung Ladies of Dedication?
Actually established this year lang, 2025.
25.
This is our first ODL.
Oh, kailan nyo rin po yung mga sa nice game, yung mga mami-mami na naglapaliga?
Yes.
La Julie Anching.
Ate MC po. Ate Ems.
Yeah. Baka sa mukha. Ayan. Go, let's watch.
Sagay ka yan yan.
Nice attack. Nice receive.
Hello.
Okay,
Hi po, Coach. Lala niyo ba?
service by Ping Pao. Pumasok. Nice receive, Abby. Nice receive, Ping Pao. Nice line. Good ball. Sige, pumasok. Nice receive. Nice try. Score for Ping Pao.
Nawawala yung matanda! Yes! Yes! Wala na.
Thank you. Raffle muna tayo. Isang raffle. Meron na po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. My pleasure po. Thank you po. May bunutan na Miki po. Go, go, go. Okay.
Oo, yung number. Ako sinuot ko na.
Congrats! Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the ball. Nice serve again, Cargado. Ati Apple, atake. Nice defense by number 12. Once again, Apple. Regalo. Oh my God. Nice rally. Advantage by Mike. Advantage by Apple. Diba? It's from outside. Set. Atake. Diba? Miscommunication. Kali Camille. Guys, once again po sa YouTube, Brian Roscoe's vlog. Nice attack! Unstoppable. Nice serve, still playable. Shena, once again. Number 1 attacker of Team Shena. Now serving, Bless. Oops. Hindi na depensahan. Spike serve. Mami number 22. Shena, nice set, enough. Go, Mami Sabrina. Bawet yung ganda, 2-point advantage by Team Shena. Camille, yung ganda. Set, easy over. Baho otok rob, inside. Nice attack by Ate Yanyan. Okay guys, GB lang, enjoy. Ate Mayan, survey. To Yanyan, Camille. So ganda. Nice. Easy over. Yanyan, to ganda. Camille. Ating Orga, easy over. Still playable. Camille, you over. It's calculated by Camille. Once again, Camille, the middle. Complete, not over. Ace. 8-3. Uy, nice set. Nice D by number 11. Nice attack. Right? Ate Eva. Nice attack by Ate Eva. Brady News. Ace. Ganda on the service deck again. Boom! Nice attack. Inside.
Peanut butter.
Thank you. Sige po. Wala lang buhari pa. Nice save. Manan save by Mami. Once again, in the drop, first goal. Nice. Nice drop by Yanyan. Number 12. Guys, thanks for watching. Medyo malobat na ako. Maya pakita natin yung mga faces nila lahat dito.
At this moment, nagpapaalam na ako sa kanila. Sabi ko na, it was nice seeing and meeting them all. Nag-voice record na ako kasi may tugtog na background. Baka makopyright tayo. Once again, guys, thanks for having me. And congratulations sa paligan nyo, ladies of dedication. Alam na alam ko na magiging success. Ingat always!
Kaya mo yan doon. Selfie yan.
Wala ako.
Dumi ko na yata. Tagal na lang. Alright, nice to see you all po. May alis pa po eh. Kiri lang po. Ay, organizer, ladies of dedication, thank you po. YouTube ah. Yes, my pleasure po.
Bye po, thank you.
Enjoy po, bye-bye po.